Namaste, good evening. Welcome back to my channel Karmic Predictions. I am Sneha Valecha, your tarot card reader, astrologer, clinical hypnotherapist, numerologist and healer. So friends, today we are going to talk about zodiac signs. We are going to talk about the Capricorns, the Aquarius and the Pisces zodiac signs. I am going to predict you through tarot cards for the month of June 2021 for these three signs. Now let's talk about Capricornians. Capricornians are denoted by the symbol of a goat, and they are very hardworking, they are very great taskmasters. They can work for very long hours, continuous long duration. They don't get tired easily. They are very focused and conservative. Now let's see what lies in store for them through tarot cards. Capricornians, be very careful. You may get betrayed by somebody. If somebody is making you any promise, just don't believe it blindly. Just take your time, get practical, think practically. You may get betrayed and you may get some kind of help from some of your elder, or if you want some loan, you may get some loan, or there can be somebody on a higher pedestal can be guiding you. You can get some guidance, or if you are not feeling well, you can go to a specialist and get good medicine. The time is little tough. It is like taming a lion, but you will get the strength for it. So Capricornians, this month is little bit tough for you, but doesn't matter. Let's see what are the angels blessing you with. So let's see what do the angels tell us. The angels are blessing you with the gift of balance. You will be able to balance everything very well. So Capricornians, there is nothing to worry. The time is little tough, but it will pass off. Now let's see what lies in store for the Aquarius. So Aquarius is an airy sign. It has a symbol of a mystical healer with a pot of water which she bestows on the land, or which she gives life with. So they are revolutionary thinkers. They are basically a humanitarian people, and they do smart work. They bring new changes in the way the world thinks. So they are there, they are out there to get the revolution in the world. Now let's see what lies in store for the Aquarius. For Aquarius, I have got very good cards. You will balance in spite of the uneven ground and the uneven environment. You will balance very well. Whatever phase which is going on, which is disturbing you, will come to an end, and you will get victory. So don't worry, Aquarians. This June is going to be good for you. The bad time will end, and you will become the victor. You will get good time. So now let's see what are the angels blessing you with. For you also, I have got the music card. So go deep into music, go deep into the sound waves, go into trance, hear the meditative music, hear any music, and just go into the flow. You will get relieved and relax. So it will be a rejuvenation time for you. Now let's see what lies in store for the Pisces. The symbol for Pisces are two fishes. So fishes, no matter whatever problems they get, they are very smart and easily they can remove their way out. They are very emotional, they are very compassionate, they are full of empathy, and they have the art of letting go. So Pisces can be a very good psychic as well. Now let's see what lies in store for them. Well, for Pisces, I have got all three good cards. You will spend very happy time. You will celebrate with your family, with your relatives, and with your children. Happy family card, celebration card. And you will plan all your events very well. So these cards are very good for the Pisces. You will have a very lovely month of June. Now let's see what are the angels blessing you with. I've got these ideas and inspiration blessings for you. So angels will bless you with new ideas, and just follow them. You will get inspired, you will get signals, you will get inspired by many things. So just pick up the signals and pave your way very well. So angels are blessing you. I hope you all like the readings. I will come back again for more readings. Thank you for now. Your friend is telling you tata, bye bye, alvida. God bless.